Hi, my name is Muhammad Izzat bin Abdul Aziz. We are from DBNT Sem 4. My metric number is S28802.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Naramshah Wazin bin Azlan. We are from DPNT Sem 4. My number matric is S28925.
Hi, my name is Tan Liang. We are from DPNT Sem 4. My number matric is S28913.
Okay, we from Group 3 we present about good breeding industry. Okay, from the data analysis in market share in goat breeding industry, goats number in the world during the period of 2000 until 2013 are increased by 33.8%. In Asia, is to keep constantly in the first place, having a contribution about 59.4%. And other than that, goat meat production is increased by 39.2%, while goat meat was increased by 41.66% during the time of period of 2000 until 2012 in the world. Okay, the product that we produce is goat milk, goat meat and goat feces. Each of the product we have prepared a SWOT analysis and target marketing.
So now let's move to the market share of goat living industry, and I will go to the population of goat. And from this graph, we can see that it is slowly decreasing for 2009 year, and meaning that the goat breeding industry will increasing locking in Malaysia. So now let's move to the import of goods, and this is the graph. And for this graph, we can see that it is sustainably increased from 2012, and suddenly dropped to 50,521 amount in 2016, and because of the increase on tax. And because of the tax, the supply of the goods will decrease. So we can grab the opportunity to start our business. So I will move to the next graph, which is explore of the goat. And from this growth, we can see this. It is fell sustainably from 2012 to 2016. And it might be because the amount supply of the goat is not enough to supply the population in Malaysia. And it effects cannot explore the goats as well. So last, I will going to present the average retail price of the goat. And from this graph, we can see this. This is rise slowly since 2007 years. And it might due to the demand of goat increase and effect the supply have not enough to supply the goats in the market Malaysia. So we can see and conclude is that this is a good time for us to supply the goats in the market Malaysia.
Okay, next is the SWOT analysis. The first SWOT analysis is a goat meat. Okay, the first point is strength. First, has some better nutrient content than cow's meat. Second, packaging appeals to all demographic. Third, the production is guaranteed halal 100%. And fourth, provide many flavors to public to choose what their favorite. The second point is weaknesses. First, facing competition from the several established brand. And second, do not have a proper stocks to store the milk. And third, high cost to produce the milk. Okay, the third is opportunities. First, goat milk in Malaysia is imported from the overseas. And the second, the demand of the goat milk in Malaysia increase in market. And third, lacking of a local producer of the goat milk. Okay, the fourth is threats. First, the production of the goat milk is limited because the goat are unable to produce the milk all the time. Second, the price of the goat milk is more expensive than the cow's milk. And third, problem relating to the common management such as a partnership.
Next, for the second SWOT analysis is goat meat. So for the first point is strength. Goat meat can be made by several types of flavor. Otherwise, it also can be offered a consistently safe and clean meat. Last, the goat meat can be processed into the vacuum packaging. which that means it will make the goat meat keep fresh and protected. Next is weaknesses. First, lacking of research of goat industry in Malaysia, which that means there are not many farmers are using this industry. For the second, lacking of capital to supply a high demand of the market. Lastly, lacking of experience in goat breeding sector. Next is opportunity. So for the first point, people more prefer goat during the Akikah. Second point, local meat is more cheaper than import meat. The third point, only a few local farmers of goat breeding sector. So, competition is low. Last, the percent of import is more higher than percent of export. The last is trade. So first, require a high cost in the goat industry. Second, uncontrollable virus infection, they may be affect the people healthy. And third, import meat have more better quality as compared to the local. So people will be more prefer to the import meat.
So, I will go to the last part of the SWOT analysis, which is goat. So first, I will start with the strength of the goat feces. The first point is, the nitrogen level of the goat feces is higher than the chicken feces. And the goat murine is drier than the chicken murine, so it allowed to combine faster and is light and easy to move around. Next, we'll go to the weaknesses. It is costly for compared the weakness to use, and process for farming the pellets for manures is complicated. The third point is opportunity. First, we can supply the organic fertilizer for cropping in rural area. This is because the demand of the goat system increased due to the light and easy to apply for crop. Last is the trick. The first trick is it is not friendly to the environment. It will not properly supply to the crop, especially during the raining day. And second is the technology in process the periods is not mature in Malaysia.
Okay, next is the target marketing. The first is goat's meat. We're using a micro marketing, which is a local marketing. The first point is our target customer group are cities, neighborhood and store. Second, require in low shipping costs. The third is we also target in urban areas because population in urban areas is more than village areas.
The second target marketing is goat meat. So we are using micro marketing, which is local and individual marketing. So for the first point, our target customer group are cities, neighbor and store. Second point, we will find agent to facilitate the product and distribute process in an area. And the third point, we also target in urban area. This is because population in urban area is more higher than village area.
So, for the last product is goat feces. So, we're also using the micro marketing, which is individual marketing. For the first point, we are focused more our product with a few individual. This is because it is not many people are using the goat marinade. And we also more target to the farmer because this feces is more easy to compare and easy to use to the crop.
So next we will go to our marketing strategy. In our marketing strategy, we are using 4P, which is price, place, promotion and product. So for the first is price. Our pricing strategy is we will offering a cheaper price to entire customer to try our new flavor meat. After that, we will slowly increase the price to the original when customer already attract with our new flavor meal. In pricing strategy, we are using two methods of discount, which is volume discount and promotional discount. In volume discount, we offer to the customer discount when they are buy in a high quantity. But for the promotional discount, we offer them in a limited time, which is during an event. So for the next P is promotion. We are using internet advertising to promote our product. For example, our company will develop a web page to sell our product. After that, We also promote our product in social media such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get the market attention from the public. Next, our company also provides sale promotion, which is free sample, social media content and giveaway, and lifestyle discount. Next, the third P is place. First, we are selling directly. We are selling our product directly to the customer within a store. Next is location. We are selling our product in the hotspot certain area for attract public to know about our product. Last, we are using channel. We are display our product in the public such as YouTube, YouTuber, blog view. The last P is product. So we got 3 points in our product, which is packaging, quality and services. So for the packaging, we are provide recognizable and fitable packaging. It will be easy to use for customer. Next, about the quality. For the process of produce of the milk, we will guide or will be made by ourselves. Last, for the services, after we selling our product of the milk, we will collect the feedback and keep to improve our product quality.
Now, we are finally in the conclusion. From this marketing analysis proposal, I will be able to figure out what is the best product to market in Malaysia based on the SWOT analysis. Other than that, by helping the 4P strategy, we may possible to sell our product effectively. And lastly, in the market share of the gold bleeding industry, the productivity is more going lower and lower. So it's definitely suitable for us to running this business during this time.
Before we end this video, we would like to thank you to Dr. Ati Alwi, our lecturer of subject SAP 2403, Agri-Business Marketing.
Thank you, Doctor, to guiding us and check our business analysis proposal during this time.
Last but not least, thank you to our group mate for giving the very hard cooperation by finish the analysis proposal. Our group mate is,
My name is Tan Leong Yang.
My name is Muhammad Izzat.
my name is Muhammad Nur Ramshah Wazid, and other 3 group member is Siti Nur Adlina, Muhammad Shazwan Anwar Faruqi, and Siti Nur Hafizah. Thank you, Doctor!
Bye bye.